Hi kids, so the last assignment for this lesson, the Indian freedom struggle, the first war of independence. So this is the last assignment and we have come into the textbook now. So in the textbook we have, now I can answer in page number 20. So first let's see the fill in the blanks. So what's they have given? The first British trading center in India was set in the year 1608 at dash in dash. So they were asking in which place the first British trading center was set. It was set in Surat, and the Surat is in Gujarat. Okay, the first British trading center in India was set in the year 1608 at Surat in Gujarat. Second one, what they have given, the reign of the Mughal dynasty came to an end in the early dash. What they have asked, the region of the Mughal dynasty came to an end in the early dash. In which century? In the 18th century. We have seen this already in the workbook. Okay. Now to the 3. The British and the Nawab of Bengal fought a battle in dash known as dash. So we know the Nawab of Bengal, he fought against the British in the year 1757 and it's called as the Battle of Palsy. It is called as Battle of Palsy in the year 1757. Going to the 4th. The province of Dash. What? The province of Dash and parts of Maratha kingdoms were affected by the dash. So, when you have this Maratha kingdom, we know it is the province of Jhansi. It is what? The province of Jhansi and the parts of Maratha kingdom were affected by the dash. By what policy? It was the doctrine of lapse. Okay. So, it is called as doctrine of lapse. Due to that only Jhansi and other Maratha kingdoms got affected. So, I hope you would have written this. So, first one is Surat and Gujarat. Second is 18th century. Third is 1757, which is known as the Battle of Palsy. Fourth is Jhansi, and what is the policy name? It is the affected by the doctrine of lapse. Let's go to the next one. So, we have two more fill-ups. The first war of independence started in the year dash. So, what is that? The first war of independence started in the year 1857 at dash. So, they are asking this year at which place? It is in 1857 at Barakpur by a young soldier named Mangal Pandey. So, there are 3 dash here. The first war of Indian independence started in the year 1857 at Barakpur by a young soldier named Mangal Pandey. So, it is 1857, Barakpur and Mangal Pandey. Going to the last fill-up. Dash was killed in the battle and Dash was exiled to Rangoon. So, who was killed in the battle? It was Rani of Jhansi. It is Rani of Jhansi was killed in the battle and Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon. So, exiled means what? He was sent out of the country to a place called Rangoon. So, the fill-ups are over in the book bag, which is in page number 20. We'll move on to the take the correct answer. The first European explorer, Vasco da Gama, landed at dash. We have 3 options, Kochi, Calicut and Kannur. So, he came into Calicut. So, what is that? He came to Calicut. The East Indian Company was set up in London in the year dash. So, they are asking the East India Company was set up in London in the year dash. So, it was set up in the year 1600. It is 1600, 1600. Number 3. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by whom? By dash. They are asking who has introduced this policy. So, it was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. So, we all have made it. It is Calicut 1600 and Lord Dalhousie. We'll move on to the next and see what's there. We have one more, choose the right answer. It is Queen Victoria took the title of Empress of India in dash. So, they are asking in which year did Queen Victoria took the position of Empress of India? It is in the year 1877. It is in the year 1877. Okay, we have a match the following here. Let's see. In column A, they have given 5 things. What is that? One is trading center. So what is the options they have given? Dye used to color cotton, end of Mughal dynasty, exile to Rangoon in Burma, companies, the Nawab of Bengal. We have seen this in the defined in the workbook itself. So trading companies means what? It is companies. Trading centers means it is companies. For one, option is D, companies. For trading centers, it is called as companies. Number 2, Sirajuddaulah. Who is Sirajuddaulah? Sirajuddaulah is the Nawab of Bengal. Now you know Sirajuddaulah is the Nawab of Bengal. So for number 2, option is E, the Nawab of Bengal. Number 3, indigo. You all know it is a coloring agent. So what is that? A dye used to color cotton. So what is indigo? A dye used to color cotton. So for 3, the option is A. Then coming, they have given a year called 1862. 1862 is nothing but the end of Mughal dynasty. The end of Mughal dynasty happened in the year 1862. Finally, it is Bahadur Shah Zafar. So who is this Bahadur Shah Zafar? We know that he was exiled to Rangoon. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed and he was exiled to Rangoon, and Rangoon is where it is. It is in Burma. So Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon in Burma. So with this, we have completed the total book back exercise and also the workbook for this lesson, the First War of Independence. Thank you. Bye.